Ito guys, power tools. Yan guys. Ang kasama ay battery pack, pamphlet na walang nagbabasa. Yung unit guys, jigsaw unit. Yan guys. Dalawang battery pack at saka yung charging adapter niya. Ang gaan guys. Ewan ko yung quality, pero yan ang dumating guys. Dalawang battery pack, adapter, yung unit, tsaka yung talim guys. May ilang talim to? May 4 na talim guys. Pangbakal to guys pine tsaka rough teeth tsaka pangkahoy guys. Pine tsaka rough teeth, dalawa. Tag-dalawa yung pangbakal tsaka pangkahoy. So hindi ko alam kung matibay guys. Sa testing ko na lang guys at tignan natin yung performance niya. So yan ang dumating guys. Kasama na itong case na hindi sa heavy duty guys. Light plastic lang guys. So okay guys. Alright.